I will show you how to make background white in Premiere Pro. It's really simple. Just click on your clip. Now go ahead and select this drop down, click on effects and search for color key. Then drag and drop color key on your clip. Go ahead and go to effects controls. If you don't see it right here, click this drop down and go to effect controls. Go down until you see color key right here. Then click on this picker. Pick on the color that you want to select. So it is background color for me. Now as you can see, it is picked and I have to select color tolerance. So as you can see, the edges are thinning. So make sure there is nothing left like this, and then edge thin as well, so it is not so rough, and edge feather add as well. And now as you can see, when you add it a little bit, you have the background black, but you want it of course white. So add move this track up and then go ahead to tutorial project or of your however your project is named. Then click right here on this new item, color matte, and then click on OK. Then select the color white and click OK. Click OK right here as well. Then as you can see here, color matte has appeared. So drag and drop it underneath your clip and stretch it out. As you can see, now my background is all white. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.